Jim found the bag. I found it. Let's go to the bag. Alright. Clue inside of it. It's video. Alright,
Okay, that goes on there.
Right here.
What's the second part of the clue you just read?
Where? And then the word, like, hide. Oh, it's hide the gift.
But what's your other clue? You need more clues.
Need more clues.
They only got one.
Need more clues.
Visions
Go
of
where
sugar
you
plums.
Dance in your head. Where's that?
Go to your beds.
Okay. You check your bed. I check my bed.
Okay, that's right.
Well, that's good. They're gonna be back down by the time I.
There's one on Khaleesi's bed too. She's not into it. Oh, there's one on Khaleesi's bed. You want to grab it?
I'll get it. I don't have one with a clue. I have one. Put in.
I forgot how prickly a real tree is. God.
Yeah, those some
That
just
thing
sharp.
is prickly.
Oh, no,
Okay,
where?
Ty, you got the clues?
Where does it fit? Can't find it. Where does it fit?
Oh, I think it'll fit there, Jackson. Just wait.
Part of a K?
Okay.
Where? Is that where the gift is?
Okay, Ty. Yeah, put that one right there. We got a real puzzle. We may have to have some tape, Mom.
They'll figure it out.
Okay.
Where do...
Turn it around that way, Ty. You're fine. Right there.
You... Put this one in. This one right here.
Yep, right there. Where
Yeah,
do
see?
you...
That monster just lit the screen. Gift boy. Box.
Oh, we got one more.
We're missing
one more
a clue. Jet,
One more
where's your
clue. There it
What
is.
clue is that?
Yeah. On the other side. There.
To bring gift. To bring where for a boy.
No.
Too big for a box. There should be a X clue somewhere. Maybe it's in Deshi's bed.
I'll go check there.
No, be
Oh, there isn't. There
Dash
isn't.
is asleep.
There
He's
is
in there.
it.
Okay.
It's okay.
Well, what's the
So what's
question?
the
Okay.
question?
What's the question?
Hey,
What's the question? Where?
okay, where do you hide
A.
gift
Two.
too big for a box?
Talk to each other.
Attic or basement? I'll try basement. I'll try attic. I'll check the attic.
Wait. There you go.
Let's try. Time.
Oh.
Wait, count. Wait. Close your eyes for a second.
No, you don't close your eyes.
Well, just
You
for a
walk
second.
downstairs.
Okay, come on.
Tell us when to close our eyes. Hey, Dad, you changed it down here. Oh, I see it going. Oh my God. I figured out the clue. I was like, you changed it down here. Connect. Good, that's what you do down here. Good, the PlayStation 3 controller.
How did you know it changed?
Because I seen this stuff.
No, it's just storage.
It's funny.
You have a TV.
There's a magazine here. Yeah, it's not like the old place, but this is all new.
Jackson is the most
Ty, come here.
thrilled, huh?
Ty.
I need to go get another.
Okay.
I'm missing one.
What do you think?
There's a water in my here. And
Yeah, you have to stay away from that stove.
can I go get the what is it called? My blue Under Armour shirt.
Sure. You got a blue Under Armour shirt.
Invalid format. What's that?